Hey, what's going on? Aaron from UAVISUALS once again, and today's video I'm going to teach you how to hand launch a Mavic 2 Pro the right and safe way. Word of warning, do this at your own risk because it can be a little bit dangerous. Your hands, your fingers are very close to the propellers, but I'll try and take you through step by step on how I do it. Once again, be careful. So, the very first thing you need to do is to put the antennas down. You need your little finger to be free, and you're going to pull the sticks downwards and inwards. And as soon as you feel the motors spool up, then away you go. And then you just throttle up. So I'm going to show you very quickly, like so, the actual movement. That's it. That's how you hand launch a Mavic 2 Pro. If you want to see more videos, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.